To rotate your object in AutoCAD, you simply come up here and select Rotate. Select your object or objects, press Enter, and then pick a base point. It could be anywhere. For now, I will click on this endpoint and rotate it to any angle. If your mouse is behaving like this, it's because you have auto mode turned on. Click the one beside it, which is called polar tracking, and then you can point to any angle you want, and then click the arrow beside it and select the increment angle that you want. It could be 30, 60, 90. Just select it, and then once you see that green line, which means it's 30 angle, if you see another one is 60, another one is 90, and then if you want it at 60 degrees, just click. But if you want it at, let's say, 55 degrees, press Ctrl Z on your keyboard to undo. Select Rotate, select your object, press Enter, select a base point, and then type your angle 55, and then press Enter and this, and then your object will be at 55 degrees. However, if you want to rotate it the other way around, press Ctrl Z again, select Rotate, select your object, press Enter, pick here as the base point, and then point to any angle of your choosing and just click. And lastly, press Ctrl Z, select Rotate, select your object, press Enter. If you don't care about your base point, just click anywhere, even inside it if you want, and just rotate around however you want. Once you get what you want, just click. I hope that helps.